Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today guys is another day and I'm here with another video. So if you're new to my YouTube, please join the family, subscribe. We love visitors. I love you. So I'm here with another video. Today is a laundry day and here I have two types of machine. I have automatic machine and manual machine. So today I'm going to use this manual and let us wash my clothes together. First of all, open water inside into washing machine. So let us wait the water to heat the maximum, and these are the clothes that I'm going to wash it. So as we wait water to heat the maximum, review my toilet. This is my toilet, that is a automatic machine, and this is manual, and basket yangu chafu, and that are my clothes, sabun. Okay, this is a mirror, yeah, and we have two types of shampoo there. So that is it guys, just as simple as that. Okay, so water is in maximum, and the next thing is to put a sabun or soap inside the water, and then heat the soap before putting the clothes to mix. So the next thing ni kuweka nguo zangu ndani, kutupa ndani ianze kuosha. Okay, so this is it guys, washing machine. Yeah. So after washing 2 times, washing and rinsing, it is time to spin and to dry. And this is the dryer, the spinner. Look at inside, this is how it's look like. And my clothes are still washing there, so this is the second time. After that tunaweka sasa hapa to spin. So guys, ni time ya spin, so I'm going to drain out water. Yeah, as you see. And then nitoe nguo kwa washing machine niweke kwa spinner to dry. Nitoe maji nikaushe. Yeah. So I'm doing slowly even because I'm using one hand, the other one with the camera. So please, that is it. Then nikishaeka nguo zote ni close, alafu ni spin. So spin naenda kuweka number 3 dryer to drain water out. So naenda kuweka number 3 na sasa na drain, it's in a drain water, maji inatoka. So this is it. Wait for 3 minutes and then open again, and my clothes are ready. As you see, iko sawa, ishakauka, haina maji tena, nile tu kupigwa na baridi na iko sawa, ready to wear. So I hope guys you enjoyed my video. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join this family, please. Let us be one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in the next video.